Hey everyone, how are you doing? I am so excited. I somehow already received my fall FabFitFun box. I looked at my videos because I was like, I swear it hasn't been that long since I received my summer box, and it's been like pretty much exactly 2 months. I received my summer box, or I at least posted and filmed on June 17th, and today is the 18th of August, but I know they had like some shipping delays last time, or I don't know what, but I'm not complaining. I'm super happy it is here. If you somehow do not know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box, a lifestyle subscription. You get a bunch of different things. It costs only $49.99, or there's many codes out there to save you $10, so I will leave a link and a code down below if you're interested. So you do get to customize some items that come in your FabFitFun. If you're a seasonal member, I think you got to customize 3 things, and if you pay annually, meaning you pay for your full year and not every season, you get to pick even more. I am a seasonal member, so I think I know 3 items. I was just talking to Nikki, I was like, I can't remember what I picked from one of the categories. I don't know what's wrong with my brain today, but I guess we'll see soon. So the boxes are different every month. So this is, I mean, not every month, every season. So this is what it looks like for fall. And every season they also give back to a charity, which is super great. And it looks like City of Hope must be the charity for this season. So let's get started. But before we do, just want to do a quick reminder, like I do in all my videos, but just in case you haven't entered, I do have my 6,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. So if you have not entered, that will be in the description box. So just open the box, and this is what I see. So even the inside is decorated super cute. They always have like a magazine that tells you more about the items that come inside, which is super great, and all the pricing information. It looks like Meghan Trainor is on the front of this one. And then there's usually like in every box, like a HelloFresh coupon. If anyone wants it, hit me up. And then this season, leaves aren't the only thing brightening some color in your life. So this is about like a coupon code, which again, I'll leave down below. And then everything else is wrapped up in some tissue paper. Ooh, a sneak peek of what I see. This looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see, which is something I actually used yesterday, and it was my last one. So this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These work pretty well. I feel like I've gotten these in several subscriptions, but like I said, I just ran out, so I'm not mad about it. So let's see how much this costs. I think this is one of the mystery items, or like surprise items that wasn't customized. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the magazine, where it lists all the products and the variations and the pricing. So this is 5B. So the 6-pack of Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Masks are $25. And you could have gotten this or a face toner, which is fine. I already have several face toners. I actually predicted I would get a face toner, so I was wrong. So I am not mad about this. I like these, and I just used my last one up, and I honestly probably have some major bags going on today, even though I slept a lot last night. I don't know what's going on, so I could totally use these. So awesome. Let's move on to the next item. Another skincare item I see, which is in like a bag. Oh, this is the mystery item. Okay, so I was telling Nikki, I don't remember if I chose the mystery item or the yoga mat. So this is mystery choice. That's why it's in this bag. And it is something by Kate Somerville. I think I have this in the past. The Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. I've had this. I think I might have actually gotten it in a box like last year, or it could have been in another seasonal box. But I think this is like green, and it works really well. Like I used it up, so yep, it definitely did have this. So this is what it looks like. So I don't know, does everyone get the same mystery item, or do we get several things? If you guys have received your FabFitFun and got the mystery item, please let me know, or if you've seen anyone else's videos, what they received of their mystery item. I think this is like $85 if I remember correctly. Let me look. Oh, it doesn't say. It says, this mystery will help you maximize those Z's. I don't know what that means, but the mystery item is $42 or more. So let me just look it up on my phone. I want to see if I remember the number correctly. I did remember this correctly. I'm like so proud of myself, even though it's not that important. It's $85. So this is an expensive mystery item, and I'm happy to have it again because I haven't used it in a long time. So let's move on, because there's so many things left in here. Next up is something by Harper and Ari. This is Exfoliating Sugar Cubes Juice Cleanser. Oh my god, these look like so good, like you could eat them, but I don't suggest doing that. Let's see what they smell like. Oh my god. These smell so good. So what exactly is this? I think it's like a body exfoliator. Yeah, it says take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week. Awesome, this is so cute. So this is $16 and I think everyone gets this. Next up, this is the item I actually chose. This is a wallet. This is by Cut from the Cloth. And get this open. The wallet I'm currently using is kind of falling apart, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to upgrade. So it comes in this little like bag you can hold to store it if you're not using it currently, but I'm probably gonna put my stuff in here right away. So it's black and white and striped, super cute. It has like a little clasp. And inside, there's a bunch of card slots. You can even like keep your checkbook in here probably. It seems big enough. So I am definitely excited to have this. I can't remember the pricing, let's look. So this is $60. It has 7 credit card slots, an ID window, and 1 full-length bill compartment. This wallet is just as functional as it is chic. Awesome, I'm really happy to have this. You know, I wasn't like super pumped about this box, but as I open it, it's still like super fun to get, and I'm actually gonna use these items, so yeah, I'm happy. Nice, I was hoping I would get this. I already have one, but I could use another. This is the After Spa hair towel, and it is pink. I use the Aquis hair wrap, the hair turban, all the time, and it really does help your hair dry super fast, but every once in a while I do throw it in my hamper to like clean it. So I could definitely like rotate too. This is great. It says comfortable fit, hands-free, lightweight drying hair towel. Super pumped about this. So I think if you were an annual member, you could have chosen this, but as a seasonal member, I did not get the choice. This was a surprise for me, and this is $18. Awesome. All right, next up I have something by Aveda. I used to use like all Aveda hair products. I lived in Chicago. My mom and I always went to an Aveda salon. This is their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat styling. So it's a leave-in treatment. It says to shake well and work a small amount of product into your hands. Apply thoroughly through damp hair and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. This is really big. This is like the size of my head. And I think this was a... Does everyone get this? Yeah, I think everyone gets this. And this is $30. Wow. The value of this box is a lot. All right. And the next item, is this the last thing? Oh no, I see something else. This is, what is this? Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. Ooh, it's vegan and cruelty free. Really pretty packaging. And this is another size of the head item. Is this something everyone gets? Yep, everyone gets this, and it is $18. I love body cream. It says lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Humankind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle quickly absorbs, leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. It says apply as needed to soothe and moisturize your skin. So let's get this open. There's a safety seal on it. This smells good. It's a very light scent, but smells very good. Like a very natural scent. I like this. Awesome. I'm always down to get more body cream, so happy with that. And then the next item, possibly the last, I have to look. I chose this one. So this is the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So I know vitamin C in skincare can be very unstable, and I have heard that using these crystals, like you get it in more like pure form and it like is more stable because you use it as you go. I don't know. Am I making any sense? Let me see what it says. It says mix crystals, a few shakes with any of your favorite cosmetics products and apply it to face. So let's see what it says in here. Wow, this is $54. It says nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So I think this is just a way to get a more pure, stable source of vitamin C. And if you guys follow me at all, you know I love vitamin C products. They are my favorite. I feel like I really have noticed a difference in my skin, especially in terms of like my skin texture. I feel like it's really improved since incorporating vitamin C into my skin routine. So I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried anything like it. Alright, so besides my 2 add-ons, I think that was everything. So before we get into my add-ons, which will be really quick, I will show you that in a moment, I'm going to add up all of the items I received so we can get the total value and see if it's worth it. So I will be right back. So I added up everything I received and the total is $306 and I paid $49.99 and I definitely think it was worth it. I know a lot of people weren't as excited for this season, including me. I wasn't like super pumped, but now that I have all this, I am excited about it and it was definitely fun to open. What am I the most excited about? I'm really excited about this wallet because I really need one. I'm gonna use it right away. I just ran on my eye mask, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm kind of excited for everything. Like, this is really exciting. I don't really need any more hair products, honestly. I feel like I'm overloaded with leave-in treatments, but I do like Aveda products. I think they smell really good, so I mean, hopefully I'll eventually use this because I like the brand, but if not, I can always add this to a giveaway. So overall, yeah, pretty good box. Not my all-time favorite FabFitFun. Doesn't really feel very fall to me, but to be honest, now that I live in Southwest Florida, like, it never really feels like fall anymore, and yeah, so I'm happy with it. But you guys have to let me know what you got. Are you happy with it? I know a lot of people canceled. Let me know your situation. Are you still getting it? Are you excited for next time? I am happy with this, like I said, but yeah. So I did add on some products. I added on the Vasanti makeup magnet wipes because I need some makeup wipes and they're really cheap. And it looks like they added in the Brighten Up Exfoliator in it too, which I really like. I did not expect that. I think that was a little bonus, so that's sweet. So here are the makeup wipes. I've used these in the past. They work really well. I like to have these just in case, like when I'm traveling or when I'm feeling like extra lazy, which I try not to do, but sometimes they come in need if you just can't make yourself wash your face at night. And this is a really, really good exfoliator, so I'm happy to have this. This is a smaller size. Like the deluxe sample size is 0.71 ounces, but you only need a little bit and it is so effective and you only use it a few times a week. So I am definitely pumped about this. And then I got the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. This is a loose setting powder. So I've been really liking the Becca one, but I've been wanting to try more powders. So let's see. I think I picked this before I knew we were getting the Becca powder in our BoxyCharm. Oops, something just fell out. Oh. So I already got some fingerprints on it. This is cute. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I can keep you guys updated. So there's like a little sticker on it, standard, has the holes. So yeah, if you guys tried this too, let me know if this works well. And yeah, that is everything for my fall FabFitFun video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!